Hello friends. So the next question, what is copy only backup? Very frequently asked on backup in recovery scenario based. Basically when log shipping implemented or any DR implemented, so why we should not take normal backup? Why we should take copy only backup? So copy only backup is that basically it is not changing the LSN. Okay. LSN means log sequence number. Okay, so we can answer that it is a backup that is independent of the sequence of the conventional SQL Server backup. Usually taking backup change the database affect how later backup and restore. Okay, so basically we can take this backup and we cannot change because it is not changing the LSN. Okay, there are two there's the backup the type of copy on your backup are following: copy only only full backup or T-log backup. Okay, so all recovery model have full backup. You can take that full backup. Sorry, copy only full backup you can take in all database recovery. Okay, model. Okay, that is full differential and log. Sorry, full bulk read and simple recovery. Sorry. Okay, a copy only backup can serve the differential. Based on differential, backup does not affect the differential base. Okay, restoring copy only backup is the same restoring of any other full backup. The same way we can restore. There is no change in the restoring. Okay, copy only backup, it is on full recovery model or bulk recovery model because it will provide you log copy log backup only basically. So it is based on that recovery model only, that is full or bulk log. So a copy only log backup preserves the existing log archive point and therefore it is not affecting the sequence of the regular log backup. Copy only backup can sometimes be useful for performing online restore. Transactional log never truncate after copy only backup. So this is a point to be noted. It will not truncating the log. And note the copy only backup are recorded in the copy only column of the backup set table. So this is very frequently asked question: copy only backup. How we can perform, where you have to perform, what is the pros and cons of the copy only backup. So hope you like it. So if you like it this, then like and comment. If you know the answer, you can just like the video. Thank you for watching.